what's up? It's Maya. Welcome back to my channel. So good morning. I decided today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day for you guys because you guys have been highly requesting it. It's been a very long time since my last what I eat in a day. I definitely have learned a little bit more. Still, I'm not an expert, so please don't critique me in the comments. I am vegan if you guys were wondering. I eat pretty healthy. It's summertime now. That's been kind of a little bit of a struggle, but I've been trying my best. Before we get into this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias if you guys haven't already. And without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Because it is summertime, I may have gotten into a really bad habit of, you know, waking up at 10 o'clock every day. This is a summer what I eat in a day, so my schedule's a little bit adjusted. Before I go downstairs and eat and have my tea or coffee or whatever I'm feeling for the day, I will sit here and drink my entire water bottle. I'll drink all of this before I go downstairs because it's good to refresh your body and hydrate your body. So what I usually do is I will wake up, wait about an hour or so, just hang out on my phone, get ready for the day, and drink lots of water. So this is my dilemma. I have realized since it's summertime, I stay up later, and that means I snack later than I should. And that means I wake up feeling like crap because I eat so late at the night. I have never ever really been one to bloat very bad until this past like few months. I have noticed I literally look like a pregnant woman. I don't know why. Every day I try to start fresh on a new clean slate. Everything that I ate the day before is just gone. Coffee or a detox tea. I drink those in the morning because it kind of just flushes out your system, and I drink that like an hour before I eat. It's not good to just rush into eating right when you wake up. I was super excited when SkinnyMint actually reached out to me for the past like week or so, which has been really nice. I of course wanted to test it out. Anything I do sponsored, I want to test out before I actually tell you guys. It's something that I am actually like passionate about and know a little bit about. Everyone has their own opinions, but I've always personally wanted to try a detox tea. I heated up some water and then I put the tea bag in there, and it literally takes like 2 minutes. It has just a lot of natural products in it, and I personally don't use it to lose weight, and that's not my goal, but I use it for debloating and making yourself, you know, feel a little bit less like a bubble. So that's why I use it. This is what the tea bags look like. They give you one for morning and one for night. The one in the morning has caffeine in it, so it's a good alternative to coffee if you guys are big coffee drinkers like me. I will leave a promo code for you guys down below if you guys want to get money off of your order. Overall, my experience so far, I've slept better. I have had more energy. It's helped me de-bloat, and it's helped me feel better and motivate me to go to the gym. If you guys are looking for a kickstart on your little health journey and ways to just get yourself to start eating better and feeling better, then I definitely recommend the detox tea. You're just like, okay, I have to do this every day. I'm gonna eat healthy every day. I'm gonna be the best I can be every single day. Tasted really good as well. So yeah, I personally like the morning one a little bit better than the night one. It is time for lunch. I am starving. I am going to make a smoothie. We're gonna do some mixed fruit. This has strawberries, pineapple, banana, and peaches. Then we're doing some blueberries, frozen blueberries. We're adding in a banana. We're doing hemp seeds because these are really good for you. A lot of protein in them. We also are doing chia seeds because these are really good for you and have protein. And then we are putting in some spinach. So I usually put kale in there and a lot of spinach, but we're out of kale. So my mom's at the grocery store right now. Oh, great. Oh. Blueberries always get so messy. Guys, I've been obsessed with Billie Eilish recently. So she's coming to me in October and I have never been more excited. Dude, and also I can't get over that she's literally only 15 or 16. Put a lot of hemp seeds in there, guys. That is protein. Oh, putting lots of chia seeds in there. Peaches, strawberries, bananas, pineapple, blueberries, spinach, and water, and hemp seeds, and chia seeds. Yummy. Such a classic, like, vegan thing to do is make smoothies. But they're just so good. Like, how do you not like smoothies? Eat more watermelon. I'm just gonna sit here, drink my smoothie while doing some online schoolwork. Dude, that is so good. See, this is a reoccurring problem that I have. It is 2:30, I haven't had anything else to eat. I'm not really that hungry. But I am really craving right now my sweet tooth, and I don't really have that many sweets, obviously, because I am vegan. It's still possible I can have as many sweets as I want. There's a lot of different vegan options. I just like never have them like around unless like I go out and buy them, so I just never have sweets. To substitute that sweet tooth that I have, I literally get coffee so much, and you guys know this. I've shifted my love from Dunkin' Donuts to this local cafe that I now literally go to every single day, which is so bad because we all know the little cafes are so much better, but they also are so much more expensive, and I've shifted from spending like $3 on coffee every single day to like $7 every day, which is a lot when it adds up, and I don't think I can afford that. But you know what? Does it bother me? No, it doesn't. Am I still going to get that coffee every day? Yes, I am. So I just need to stop. And I have a freaking Keurig too. Hello? You called me?
Yes.
All right, well, just tell her to be ready.
All right, thank you.
Bye. I just got my coffee. Anywhere you go, I'm sure they'll make it, but it's so freaking good. Like, this is 20 ounces, but like, I don't get why they don't do bigger, because I could literally drink like 40 ounces of this coffee. Even more, because it's so good. Probably shouldn't, but caramel iced latte with almond milk. And the caramel is vegan, don't worry. It's like syrup. Beautiful. Diamond by the bowl. Time has really flown by since I last ate. I had a smoothie this morning and then coffee. Oh my god, it's 4:30 and I have only had literally a smoothie and watermelon and coffee and tea today. Because just like time flies ahead and I forget what time it is. Yeah, that didn't make sense. Which I should probably go eat, because it's probably bad that I haven't had lunch yet. First of all, I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, and I had coffee, and whenever I have coffee on an empty stomach, I get so jittery. Usually coffee, I drink it so much it doesn't really affect me, but I can so feel it right now, just my body like shaking and getting jittery because I don't have anything in my stomach, and so coffee really affects me. I feel like literally so jittery right now. Like, I feel shaky. Yeah, I should probably go eat something. Let's go downstairs. All right, I'm gonna have a late lunch. These, I think I finally found like the veggie burgers that I really like. These I got from BJ's, and they're the Chipotle black bean burgers. They are so good. I don't know if you guys want to read that or not, but it's Chipotle in a burger, which it is called a Chipotle black bean burger. But then I'm gonna cook up some edamame. This is just frozen edamame. I'm gonna heat this up, have that together. I'm currently cooking this. This is what the burger looks like, and I'm cooking it with some edamame. And I think I might heat up, these all have like milk in it, these like buns, so I think I might heat up this like hot dog bun. I know it's random, but the only bun that doesn't have milk in it or eggs, so these are vegan. So I just cut the veggie burger in half, as you guys saw, and then I put some fresh salsa that we just made on top of it, and it's gonna be a little like, kind of like a hot dog, but it's a veggie burger and it's vegan, and look how good that looks. And then I'm gonna put the edamame on the side. All right, even though this doesn't look the most appetizing, it's still really good. And usually I eat the veggie patties alone, like I don't even use a bun, but today I was kind of really hungry and I was feeling it, so. That is good. It was so random. It tastes good though. It's a lot later now. Since I had a really, really late lunch, I'm not too hungry, so I've just been snacking on. This is so good. If you guys have a BJ's near you, then get this like trail mix. As you can tell, most of it's gone already, but I'm just gonna snack on whatever is left of this. It's just like nuts and stuff, so good protein. It's about 7:45 right now. Because it is summer, you know, we always, yeah, someone was looking at me.
Oh God, I need to back up.
No, you're fine. Keep, cut it.
I am.
Slow. All right, back up. So we're at Whole Foods right now, and because it is summertime, I'm not gonna like limit myself that much. We are going to get a cookie or something. I don't know. We had a sweet tooth, so we're gonna go get like a vegan chocolate chip cookie or something. I don't know. We'll see what they have, but I'll take you guys along with me. I think I'm not really gonna eat dinner tonight because I did have a late lunch, so.
Dude, this little tiny cookie's $4.
Yeah, but they're really good. These are $2. We got the cookies. If you guys know me, these are like my addiction. If I ever get anything that's like junk food, vegan, it's these cookies. They are the best.
They're really good.
To anyone out there that says vegans can't eat anything good, you're wrong.
It doesn't taste like an oatmeal cookie.
No, it doesn't taste like an oatmeal cookie, and it doesn't taste like it's vegan.
It tastes like a normal chocolate chip cookie.
Exactly, coming from a non-vegan herself, so. Okay guys, so it is about 9 o'clock. I've just been sitting here and me and Bella have been chilling and talking. I am about to go downstairs and make my last tea for the night. So they give you the 28 days every morning to kind of like boost your day with caffeine and stuff. So for the night one, you drink that one every other night. This is the one that like cleanses your system. So I didn't drink it yesterday, and so it's my time to drink it tonight. It contains like natural ingredients that like cleanse your body. I personally like the morning one better. The night one's not bad. I really like the taste of the morning one. But in the night one, there's ingredients like lemongrass and ginger root. And another thing I want to mention in this, I am not using this detox or Teatox, should I say, to lose weight, because I know you guys might have a lot of questions. A lot of people are interested in the Teatox to lose weight, and I'm telling you guys, if that's what your main intentions are in going into this, I don't think it's for you. Definitely helps with eating healthier and motivating yourself to go to the gym and eating a lot better and cutting out like fats and having healthy substitutes, but I definitely don't think it's something, if you're expecting to lose a lot of weight, I wouldn't gravitate towards it. But for me, it just helps cleanse my body, and it makes me feel all around better. It makes me feel more energized. It makes me feel less bloated and just very clean and everything. SkinnyMint is also one of the more affordable Teatox brands, so I definitely recommend them because if you want to try it out, there is free delivery worldwide. So no matter where you are in the world, you can get free delivery. Bella's gonna have some too. I told her she can try some, and because you know she's been feeling very bloated recently, so I told her she can have some because it's definitely gonna help with that. So we're gonna go downstairs and make some tea. I'm just gonna start this. Smell it.
Oh, that smells good. Smells like peppermint.
Herbally and like minty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get like an honest review. Like you're gonna honestly tell me what you think about it, okay?
Okay.
Like don't lie. Hot.
Oh, it's hot. Yeah, it's good.
I mean, it just tastes like tea.
A little peppermint.
Little peppermint. Yeah, it's a little herbally, but it's fine. Okay guys, so that is the end of today's What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and just please bear with me because I know it was a very random What I Eat in a Day, but that, you know what, it's summertime and that's just kind of what I've been eating recently. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and
Thumbs up the video.
and
Follow me on Instagram.
yeah, And also don't forget to check out SkinnyMint. I'll leave that link down below if you guys are interested. Again, no pressure, only if you guys want to. And yeah, thank you SkinnyMint for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.